What I love about this liquid lipstick is that it doesn't ever feel dry on my lips. I feel comfortable in it. I feel like I can talk and laugh and never be aware of my lips. I'm gonna apply American Woman, which is a beautiful, bold, neutral with a little bit of a pink base, but it's a really full coverage and it has really high impact, so it's more of like a nude with attitude. The applicator makes it so easy to get a perfect line at the edge of the lip and clean up any mistakes really simply by just brushing against the edge with the doe foot tip to create a perfected line. It's a beautiful liquid formula that after a few seconds dries to a velvety matte. I love this rich berry shade called Rock With You. It's just so beautiful and deep and has the most incredible finish. And it's the most complimentary berry on all skin tones. Nothing like a beautiful, bold, red matte lip. I love how incredibly rich the pigment is, and this is a red lip that will last. When creating a bold lip, it's really important that you get the edges really precise. I like to go in with a lip liner just around the edges to get the exact shape that I like and make sure that it looks perfectly even on every edge. There's something for everyone. There's something for deep skin tones or something for pale skin. There's also something for the kind of woman you are, whether you want something dramatic or something very natural.